Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get the Watched app free code for 2021, using which you can just activate your Watched app and watch all sorts of different movies, series, dramas, and comedy series, and a lot of things that will entertain you. So you can basically access entertainment through this app called Watched. And in this video I'll be showing you how to get its code for free for 2021, which will allow you to access all these different films, movies, dramas, series, and a lot of cool things. So definitely, once you have this code and once you have access to all the different sorts of things available on the app called Watched, you'll have a great source of entertainment for yourself. So there's the app icon right underneath the home icon, and the best part about this app is that it is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. And the best part about this video is that later in this video I'll be showing you the steps that will allow you to download this modded version of Watched called Watched Plus Plus into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and make sure that you follow the steps I'll be showing you later in this video properly and strictly. And once you do that, you'll be able to get this modded version of Watched downloaded into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. So there you go. It says I've opened the app Watched Plus Plus. It says activate for free. This basically is a code that I've downloaded by downloading this modded version. Once I downloaded this modded version, it had a code with it that came with it for free, and it says activate for free. And once I click on activate for free, just like I'll be doing it over here now, you will see that I'll get access to all the movies and different things. So let me just show you. There you go. Look at that. All the trending series, popular series, all the series that are available on this app, all the movies, dramas, and all the cool things and all the entertaining things that are available on this app will all from A to Z will be available to you. There are trending movies and there are a lot of things, and you can watch them on your go without any interruptions or anything like that. You can watch them for free with this code, with this modded version. So it's like a great modded version. It allows you to get free access to these cool things. You don't have to worry about whichever device you're using as well. It works on both Android and iOS devices. So these are the settings. There's TV mod, there's reset personalization, there's developer mod, there's check for updates, there's language settings. So it covers wide range of languages. That means it doesn't matter whichever part of the world you are in. If you have this app, you can change the settings, language settings, and optimize it upon your requirements. So this is the Watched Plus Plus, the modded version of Watched, which gives you a free code as well with it, associated with it, that allows you to access all the cool, entertaining things on this app. So this is the app icon right underneath the home icon. So what I'll be doing over here is that I'll simply delete it so that I can show you how to install it again. We will go through this together. I'll be showing you and you guys will watch and learn, and then you'll be able to download it again as well. So now that I've deleted the Watched Plus Plus, let's move on to the steps. And the first thing you have to do is basically locate and open the settings of your phone. Pretty simple. And once you open your settings, you have to move to step number one, which is that you have to go down to your battery settings and make sure that your low power mod on your iOS devices and your power saving or battery saving mods on your Android devices are turned off. This is step number one, which is for both Android and iOS devices. And in step number one, you have to make sure that your power saving mods on either of your Android and iOS devices are turned off, because if they're on, your downloading process will be affected. Once you've completed step number one, simply exit your battery settings and move on to step number two. And step number two is only for iOS devices, in which you have to go back to your general settings above Control Center. And inside your general settings, you have to hunt for background app refresh underneath the iPhone storage. And inside your background app refresh, you have to basically adjust your background app refresh out of the three settings to Wi-Fi and cellular data. There are three options saying off, Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi and cellular data. You have to make sure it is on the third option or the one that says Wi-Fi and cellular data. This is step number one. Again, I'm saying this is only for iOS devices. And if you haven't adjusted this to Wi-Fi and cellular data, your downloading process will again be affected. Step number three is again for both Android and iOS devices, in which you have to go down to your browser settings, to the settings of the browser through which you will be downloading this modded version of Watched, and go to that browser settings and then to the privacy and security section and ensure that all cookies have been unlocked by disabling the setting saying block all cookies. Because if the cookies have been blocked, your downloading process will again be affected and you will not get the modded version downloaded. So ensure that all cookies have been unlocked. After that, close your settings and open the particular browser for which all cookies have been unlocked. And click search, and a list of modded games and apps will appear right in front of you this way. And this list contains a lot of cool things. And it is highly unlikely that you may not find anything in this list, but if you can't, go back to the search bar and type it in there and it will filter it for you. But here you go, I just found the Watched Plus Plus that says modded original version, unlocked, activated, works on all Android and iOS devices. So if it's signed or not revoked, you can just go on to install it by clicking there and start the injection process by clicking the start injection button, which is right here. Now remember, there's no need for jailbreaking or rooting over here. It's as simple and straightforward as I'm showing you it is, and the only reason the video has been fast forwarded over here is to make it short, because the injection process may take up to a few minutes, however not too long. And what you have to basically do after this, and as soon as the injection process finishes, you will be asked to complete this one last easy step, which being the final step is the easiest one as well. And I'll show you how to do it, so do not worry at all. So basically, I have to install 2 apps from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now I'm being offered a wide range of instructions over here, out of which I have to complete 2. And I'm obviously going to be completing the 2 easiest of all the instructions. And my first one is going to be the Norton Secure VPN. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds. Now remember, these apps are downloaded from the official Apple Store or the Play Store in case you're using an Android device, so they're 100% safe to use. Now, they've instructed me to run this app for 30 seconds, but I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds to be sure that I've properly completed the instruction, and would highly recommend you guys to do the same as well. However, you might not notice me running this app for 40 to 50 seconds because the video has been fast forwarded to make it short. I've completed my instruction number 1 over here, and my instruction number 2 is going to be let me just check. The present. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds, but this time around the app is a little different. However, the instructions are the same, so I'll run it for 40 to 50 seconds just to be sure that I've completed the offer and instruction. And remember, once your contents are downloaded, you may delete these extra apps that were downloaded during the injection process because they occupy your space in your phone for no good reason, so you can delete them to optimize your storage. And once you've completed everything, simply close everything and return to your home page, and you will notice that your Watch Plus will have been downloaded just the way it has been downloaded over here for me in these 2 simple steps right underneath the wallet icon. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another cool, exciting video. Until then, take care, bye, and do share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Until the next time, bye.